Utie Oha Extra Ponkno Needs FM.
Now, yetie wono. Asama kan ya na je say primary care ewo ho as opposed to primary health care. And na ye preventive health and ye health promotion health promotion interventions and na curative care. Ni nyina no lumped together and na we can say a free primary health care. And then
I na curative no eshe I primary care no.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That is now payment regime at the same at the primary level. Ukwa sika ben na ubetietia ene NDC ebetimi pledge say sika no yama wo entua.
Okay. To say uko primary level it depends on near ode echo. And a bit depending so on say private health insurance be announced national health insurance be announced ubetia from your pocket. And you know, say only any form of insurance that be taking care of you be not just a one kasana ubetia your pocket. Na that form of insurance no so osha not just no I Ghana has say no ye offer a national health insurance any your private health insurance jina kabumwa Ghana percentage that it take care of no 40%. Not just say you was 60% of the population you need any form of insurance so 60% of the population need any form of insurance no so no Obeka say okay ebia enyo biara any here a form of insurance. That is true. Yeah, propose a manifesto you call around no. One of the key concerns that not ever out say you call a hospital a car and now say we are recrampa na chika what they call hospital a who ayeding. And move further say look what is happening. It was clear say the friend out of pocket payment, na edi nya kakra. And a dear ben a buying bit in ya ho. Out of pocket payment we ye be efi ho. Ama yetumi achieve nya ye friend no health for all. Na health for all no. Idea bi a United Nations na adia to a Ghana so sign 2015, the following year in Ifia Bino. Say by 2030, a year 9 years from now, I will say it achieve health for all. It is a quite benny and the first one you be to me. Out of pocket payment, this hoping 60% of the population. And you say, okay, yeah, what national health insurance will it being so our private health insurance. But okay, it take care of about 40%. Osaye analysis ni biwa national health insurance. Our indebtedness say almost the service providers eka. Me de bia me ka say national health insurance indebtedness there. My amfanye amanosem. If you say the very nature of the scheme, no, that kind of indebtedness. What do I mean? Scheme no say beyond the piloting stage that it taking place in Kranza and Gangbe West side, the district and mutual health insurance schemes, Omampani Kufo Abain say 2003. Sabre or the Senate Sikaka Krampo Eshimu, Mikaisa Sabre Yura Ikuste Drama Kwana or any IT General Secretary. Omo me government Nyantawa Kakra or acquire a government faso at the I set up the district and mutual health insurance schemes. Amampani John Evans at Mills buy or also to us or convert into the National Health Insurance Scheme. As a na uko baby I feel the scheme no ube to me a you like on a nationwide basis. Inti President Kufuor a year insurance scheme it will pretty from 2005 to 2008. Academics be aye work be near friend of systematic review. Systematic them say Joe Buame review no we no near a PFI mobile almost year no 2009. The PFI mobile and say as of 2008, first 3 years of implementation of National Health Insurance Scheme, a car na was 34 million US dollars. And that is why I say, a health insurance, a car, a day, and yet a minus. If you say, it's the nature of the scheme. So 34 million US dollars. I buy back, not buying beer TB. Now, on also some boobies will go. Now, I buy a court, not buying for Fraba, not also TB. So, it's here, Cassas is here. Scheme on also, I will a council store, I was a dealer with. It's Ocean scheme on also, I can hear 1. 2. What's the growth rate of the scheme now? Between 2017 and 2019, 3 years, means in fact 2020, the figures are not out yet completely. Ubehu said the increase in the growth of coverage, that is NIPA scheme, at the count, some is 0.8%. Ghana population, so in name say,
Doc, Wadaroma,
2.2%.
Doc, Wadaroma, you be engage you at that level. But primarily, 8 year area no. 1% hunu. Otherwise, benefit be a beba ho. And
Very
how
good.
much money they will keep in their pockets. Now, what to me, I hear a decision and I will take a view. The hey, sir, and someone woman can. If I were to believe them, I can save, say, this much in a given year. I'm the atumbutum. So now, tell us, payments bang and a bekoso at the primary level as a CIA say yes, Sika Yadiko, say yeah, health insurance, Yako you. As I will say, what the Bama you free ya, you bet me I can say you save this much in our pockets.
Because it's on a very wide basis, and it depends on the Obiara and the Yare. So if you can say be a kwesi, at the end of hypertension, amade asthma, kwajo at the malaria, with the typhoid, into chikani yesaya. But near a woman and say, we here premium, set tier premium for health insurance. We here health insurance card. Now what benefited from free primary health care? Won't biara, you won't pay any money. Until one call a hospital, abia I sebio, will be abia nakwara, our sickle cell disease, or more, neka or on diseases every baby. Until no, okay, if you are less, if you are more, if you call once in a year. Ubi or on Kokra, Ubi or 3 times in a year, Ubi or 4 times in a year. The assurance is that we here say Ubitia premium, National Health Insurance a premium. Now what to me are say free primary health care now, yeah the urban. Say we are no a sickle cell disease, a typhoid, a malaria, a asonso, a diabetes. Once what they call district hospital, a free. Once what they call polyclinic, a free. Once what they call health center, a free. Once what they call chips compound, a free. Nia yedeka who be also ye. Adia ba kunso emma eya obi o krampos o me krampo de I bitia me ya nanso I minyanko e me twa kakra. Ubisa time omuko a hospital na omukodi. Omoche no kre sometimes ubetimi akọ 2.5 hours na uguso wɔ hɔ a ebi a ɔretwɛn mamenka ɛnyɛ sɛ ebi a ɛyɛ boapaeɛ dɔkta ba adwuma anɔpa a ɔbɛkɔ ward akɔ akɔhwɛ ɔmo a yɛagye ɔmo ato hɔ ansa na wahwɛ ɔmo nyinaa ansa na waba OPD nti obedu hɔ no na ebi a ɛbɔ 9 ɛbɔ 9:30 10 ansa na waba abɛhwɛ wo free primary health care no nea yɛreka wɔ mu bio ɛne sɛ ɛnyɛ biribiara na ɛwɔ sɛ wode kɔ hospital polyclinic anaa chips compound obi wɔ hɔ a na ɛyɛ diabetes no ɛwɔ sɛ ebi a every week bi a ɔkyɛke ne blood sugar nea aborɔfo mu ɔmo frɛ no sɛ bi a fasting blood sugar no ehia sɛ ɔbɛkɔ a hospital asɛ na wakɔ kyɛke ne blood sugar no already your pharmacy shops bi a ɔmo kyɛke saa nneɛma yi ebi kyɛke a blood pressure no money ade under free primary health care yɛbɛ gropi saa pharmacy shops yi na drugstores nso a in the areas of drugstores na ɛwɔ hɔ no yɛn ɔmo adi nkitaho na ɛne nsawansawa sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a yɛde drugstores no ɛne pharmacy shops no nso bɛyɛ dɛ ɛba aba abɛka ho nti no sɛ ɛyɛ wo sugar kɛkɛ na wokɔ akɔ kyɛke anaa wo blood pressure kɛkɛ na wokɔ akɔ kyɛke a ehia sɛ wobɛkɔ all the way to the hospital na ɛbɛkɔ akɔ waste time ɛno nso will reduce the waiting time no ɛno nti free primary health care then ɛbɛyɛ ama wo wonhia health insurance card ansa na wa access it 2 ɛno kyerɛ sɛ wontua premium na ɛhyɛ ne sɛ wokɔ district hospital ɛbɛyɛ free. It doesn't matter oyare or they call district hospital no. Say diabetes or malaria or hypertension, asthma. BBA or they could be a free. Polyclinic a free. Health center a free. Chips compound a free. Nyaka ho bi also ye the pharmacy shops no so ebebemu. Ye the drugstores no bebemu. Utu kwan ekọ yɛman mu ha sɛ akyirikyiri baabi nso a wohu pharmacy shop na woahu drugstore nea wobɛhu ayɛ sometimes chemical shops no nso ɔmo nso we will give them the necessary training yɛde training ɛbɛma wɔn na baabi ɔmo wɔ no ɔmo nso atumi aboa ama ɔmo deliver this kind of service no nea ɛkyerɛ nso ne sɛ yɛngya the private sector no sɛ wahwɛ a nea meka nso private sector no wɔ hɔ sɛ one of the lessons a ɔman ɛwɔ sɛ yɛsua efi free SHS mu and say we a private sector no if free more ube create problems ube create a congestion no money at the other and untina yeka say under free primary health care no yenja the private sector no because a buying hospital facilities any health facilities into immediately now is the private facilities no so they will also come under the program and then you pay them for the service that they will be rendering under free primary health care no say you refer if primary level no at the secondary level and no and so a press conference no one of the journalists beside obisi okay na omo a omo nisika omo de be show omo at the primary level no omo secondary level na e de ben e na be to omo and no correct sa a question no e say ampa you hear free primary healthcare. If you say it's a free prime at the primary level, no crampo, uniska or the back end one. Not just say any idea tesenka ultimate crampo hospital no. But at the secondary level, no, assuming say ebia I sebio cram cancer inti ena ye refer ako and ebia a kidney disease inti na ye refer ako secondary and a tertiary level na. Ye the manifesto ni mo no ya ka say you have set up a cancer and kidney disease trust fund. That trust fund, when you say, about this establishing, you have a munchain, a journalist, and so a munchain. Moya a jumabia, a so any year, mu raise funds, Emma a Ghana for a ABA, no be a no difficult, also quite operation B and RBB. It is that trust fund now, you best set it up more. About this capital, you be raising funds from a public spirited individual, or more, or yemiye, sɛ obi afa sika ngum na ɔmo a ɔmo ndi saa sika no ɔmo betumi apply to saa fund sɛ bi a ɔwɔ chronic kidney disease ɔkɔ akɔyɛ dialysis obetumi apply to trust fund no ɔwɔ a cancer bi a ɛno no insurance bi ankaba obetumi apply to saa fund no ɛnyɛ fund a aban pɛ ɛna ɛbɛ manage because ɛyɛ trust fund no nti no yɛbɛwɔ a trustees a ɔmo na ɔmo ɛba abɛhwɛ ɛno kyerɛ sɛ health insurance national health insurance no ebetumi a concentrate on secondary level care and tertiary and level care ɛno nso bɛmo ɔmo atumi ahome kakra ama sika a ɛba no ɔmo atumi de ahwɛ ɔmo a ɔmo scheme no so no yie at the level of the secondary and the tertiary na service providers nso a ɛde ɔmo ka no ɔmo atumi atete ɛka no over a very short period if you say aban through the free primary health care no na yɛyi saa cost a burden na ɛbɛwɔ at the level of the primary care no efi ɔmo so most importantly nso fi sɛ yɛka sɛ prevention is better than cure na ɛsan sɛ ɛyɛ a na yare ansa na yɛhu health mfasoɔ no nti no yɛ a na yɛ pay attention to prevention.
Okay.
Free primary health care at the strong emphasis ɛbɛba to a prevention and health promotion. If you say usori anopa utia oya na one postpone na utimi call o drugstore and our pharmacy ho e mo check your blood pressure no mu say bia blood pressure no ekosoro nti di adaka bre yesrew ene de enkwa adwuma we de tew ko ebia polyclinic na kuhu doctor yi anase physician assistant wako osi enepe na yes a osi ai ene traffic kakra be about 30 minutes bi asa check bi o check yi eba fam we dey eba fam ene yɛhwɛ kakra na emom ukofia ɛyɛ start yɛ exercise nkakra sɛ ofo neat we na ɛyɛ enyusi lift one kasa try sɛ obenanti afa hɔ ni nyinaa nso yɛ exercise ni bi anadwo edidie te so ubedidi anadwo kura mpo na so fele sɛ kɔm de wa ɛwɔ sɛ ode vegetables no mu ne ade ka ho ubehu sɛ saa nipa no ne hypertension ka ɔba benya no essence how quick intervention nti and develop it into hypertension when or how can see finish so sabio say it develop it into hypertension krampa essence free primary health care wo honti yetimi hu ne ntemunti no we manage the hypertension at the level of the district or polyclinic level and as even a health center krampo by the physician assistant nso a obewo excessive hypertension nipa ni nkonya stroke because hypertension ni nkonya stroke ka na abeye ohaw ama ono ankasa ontumi na hwe na yere ne ma na busuafo omu nyinaa nso eba da affect o e wo se obi wa a obehwe wo at the same time nso e wo se obi nso ekopesika eba o de ba behwe wo enti no it is not just about the cure that is the curative aspect prevention and health eye promotion no unfortunately your committee as a nation to primary health care over a long period since 1978 our World Health Organization echo Alma Ata echo year I declaration all the way to 2000 MDG Hub and Sana 2015 Sustainable Development Goals just 2 years ago 2018 the present government has signed it as final declaration now so after yɛmfa ose enye oyo papa
nti sesi ano
ose enye oyo
ade a yɛmfa ose enye oyo ade a yetie wo kasa mu a na kyerɛ sɛ yɛbɛ make monetary savings otherwise yɛde bɛkɔ akɔyɛ card a yɛbɛkɔ akɔtua premium yɛbɛkɔ anaasɛ yɛbɛtua physical cash at the primary healthcare level no
yeah
ɛdeɛ na wa promise sɛ wo bɛyɛ yɛnya ntoaba ɛma wo nyɛyɛ ɛnso wo describe no sɛ ɛbɛyɛ the single most big largest social intervention in the 27 years of the Fourth Republic.
Yeah, so enunti na meka say it will be ɛbɛyɛ that is so we share the impact ramifications here I make here. Chese Obabeko a district hospital, Untieska, Unhia premium. Obabeko a polyclinic, Untieska, Unhia premium. Obeko health center, Untieska, Unhia premium. Obeko chiefs compound, Untieska, Unhia premium. And no Ghanaian will be left out. No Ghanaian will be left out. Once a Oye Ghanaian are all any of these facilities, Oye beneficiary. Very, very few interventions. Oshe Bibi to say ABR immunization for ABR Ampara Omedi 5 and below. This kind of policy, no, very cross-cutting. All segments of the population, age groups, they are affected. That is how we see it from the health and policy perspective. In fact, Oshe Bibi to say England and deeper understanding of the English system. It was not for nothing, say, national health system, no, and not project here during the 2012 Olympic Games, no, at the center of the field, no. They cherish it so much. It's a
and no, you comparative analysis when we can say private sector no so yenya wo mu nti yebeba ababeka eho asem ahwe say edru bra yebetimi encourage general practitioner in our various small communities and sa enampo chips compound no ababehwe ama health center so atwa so
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no Needs FM.